Hello and welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Grace. This episode is short, it's simple, and it's made for busy people. You don't need much time. You don't need to be perfect. Today, you will practice English with me for just 5 minutes. You can speak with me right now, or if this is not a good moment, you can just listen today and come back later to shadow. No pressure, no stress. Now, let me tell you today's topic. Today's topic is very important and very simple. It's called 1% Improve Daily. What does that mean? It means one small action you can do today and repeat again tomorrow. In other words, small steps, big results. Please remember this idea. You will hear it many times today. Many people want to improve their English, but many people fail. Not because English is too hard, but because they believe the wrong thing. They believe success needs big actions. They think they must study for hours. They think they must change everything at once. But here is the truth. When the action feels big, it feels heavy. And when something feels heavy, it is hard to repeat. And when we cannot repeat, our 1% disappears. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 2 hours once a month. You brush for 2 minutes every day. That 2 minutes is not big, but it works because you repeat it. That 2 minutes is like 1%. Learning English is the same. It's not about one big study day. It's about small moments every day. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of shadowing. That is 1%. Small steps, big results. Now, there is science behind this. When you repeat a small action every day, your brain changes. It builds a new path, a new road. At first, speaking feels slow. You stop, you search for words. This is normal. But when you practice your 1% again and again, the path becomes stronger. Your words come faster. Your mouth moves more easily. Speaking becomes automatic. This is how small daily practice works. Now, here is the secret most learners miss. Your 1% must feel easy. If it feels heavy, it is too big. If you plan 1 hour every day, you might quit. But if you plan 5 minutes, you will do it. If you can repeat it tomorrow, then it is the right 1%. That is the secret. You don't need extra time. Your day already has many 1% moments. Waiting for the bus, walking, making coffee, before you sleep, after you wake up. Choose one small moment. That moment is your 1% today. Speak out loud when you can. What matters is repetition. You know the story of the turtle and the rabbit. The rabbit is fast, but he stops. The turtle is slow, but he keeps going. Each small step is like 1%. That is why the turtle wins. Learning English is the same. So let's recap today's message. Don't chase big actions. Don't wait for perfect time. Build small habits. Practice a little every day. And here's the important part. If you spoke with me today, even just a little, you just did your 1% Improve Daily. That is enough for today. Thank you for practicing with me today on the Easy English Podcast. You showed up. You practiced. That was your 1% for today. Come back tomorrow, do the same 1% again. And remember, small steps, big results. This is the Easy English. I'm Grace. See you in the next episode.